Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to MT5. To begin, understand that TradingView and MetaTrader 5 do not directly link. You will need a specialized third-party bridge, such as Pine Connector or Meta Connector, to facilitate this connection. Start by registering for an account with your chosen service. Then, download their Expert Advisor, or E, and install it directly into your MetaTrader 5 platform. This EA acts as the crucial link for automated trading. Next, you will configure your MetaTrader 5 platform. Launch MT5 and activate automated trading by clicking the Auto Trading button. Drag and drop the bridge's Expert Advisor onto any chart. It is important to enable web requests in your MT5 settings to allow external communication. Finally, enter the unique license ID provided by your bridge service into the Expert Advisor's input parameters. This step secures the connection. Now let's move to TradingView. Develop your trading strategy or select an existing indicator. Create a new alert based on your desired entry and exit conditions. In the alert settings, select Webhook URL and paste the unique URL from your bridge provider. Crucially, format your alert message with precise trade commands, including details like buy, sell, stop loss, and take profit levels. This message tells the bridge what action to take. Before going live, it is absolutely essential to test your entire setup on a demo account. This allows you to confirm that alerts from TradingView accurately trigger trades on MetaTrader 5 without risking real capital. Ensure your MT5 platform and the bridge software remain open and connected to the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Continuously monitor your automated trades and make adjustments as needed for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.